Many Australians are making a mistake and paying far more than they have to for reverse cycle heating their home, thanks to forgetting to do a basic maintenance task which could be done in 5 minutes twice a year, easy as, and I'll show you just how to do it.
Please contribute. It really helps my independent, honest journalism for you.
As I vacuum all these filters and put them back onto the reverse cycle air conditioners we have in our house, I can literally hear the difference in how hard the air conditioner has to work to suck air through them. Look how dirty this one is. This was probably the worst one. Make sure to vacuum the other side as well and remove this bit, any separate foam bits to vacuum them as well. People don't realize is that all reverse cycle air conditioner heat pumps have filters on the top of them, like these, which I've removed from 2 of my split air conditioning systems. And you need to clean them at least twice a year, more often if you're in a really dusty area or have pet hair in the house. And look at the difference. This is one that I vacuumed thoroughly. You can see how easy it is to see through it. And this one is one that I've partially vacuumed to show you what the difference is between the vacuumed and unvacuumed areas. You can use a normal vacuum cleaner, but I reckon an electric portable vacuum is much easier. This is not sponsored. I just happen to own a lot of Ryobi electric rechargeable electric tools, and I find them really easy to use. All you have to do is vacuum thoroughly and your reverse cycle air conditioner and heat pump will work a lot better, costing you less money to heat your house in winter and cool your house in summer. Plus, you don't want that dust sitting there because mold could easily grow in it as well. What a difference. That's just 6 months of dust. When you're finished, just put the filters back on. You might need a ladder like I did.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.